Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a coffee body scrub. This natural exfoliant offers fantastic benefits for your skin. The fine coffee grounds gently buff away dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling incredibly smooth and refreshed. Plus, the caffeine in coffee can help to temporarily tighten and firm your skin, potentially reducing the appearance of cellulite. It's a wonderful way to invigorate your skin and enjoy a spa-like experience right at home. Creating your own coffee scrub is surprisingly simple, requiring just a few common ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of fresh, used coffee grounds. Avoid instant coffee for the best texture. Next, grab 1/4 cup of a carrier oil. Coconut oil or olive oil work wonderfully to moisturize your skin. For extra exfoliation and a lovely scent, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar or fine sea salt. Optionally, a few drops of your favorite essential oil can enhance the experience. Now let's mix everything together. In a clean bowl, combine your 1/2 cup of coffee grounds with the 1/4 cup of carrier oil. Stir these 2 ingredients thoroughly until they are well incorporated. Next, add the 2 tablespoons of brown sugar or sea salt. If you're adding essential oils, now is the time to include 5 to 10 drops for a delightful aroma. Mix everything until you achieve a consistent, spreadable paste. It's that easy. Using your new coffee scrub is a treat. In the shower, apply a generous amount to damp skin, gently massaging in circular motions. Pay extra attention to rougher areas like elbows, knees, and feet. After a few minutes, rinse thoroughly with warm water. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and smooth. For storage, transfer any leftover scrub into an airtight container. It will stay fresh and effective for up to 2 weeks, ready for your next pampering session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.